everyone, and welcome back to my channel, or hello if you are new here. My name is Caitlin. So glad that you stopped by. As you can tell by the title of this video, I'm just going to be taking you through a night in my life, like nighttime routine type vibes. I'm going to be making some dinner here in a minute. So I did just get back from the store. I had to pick up just a couple things, some stuff for dinner tonight and another dinner I'm planning on making during the week. So I spent $45 on groceries, and let me show you what I got. Okay, you guys, so this is literally all that I got, and this was $45. And it's from Walmart too. Like, I'm trying to shop there because it is cheaper than a lot of the stores here where I'm living. So, but yeah, so for dinner tonight, I'm gonna do like a roasted salmon and eggplant meal. So that's why I bought the salmon and the eggplant. And then I'm also gonna make like a basil vinaigrette with it. So got that, some bananas for the week. I picked up this Superfoods organic protein. Oh, super greens, organic super greens and protein. Wow, can't speak. Has all of these things in it, and I'm just like, honestly, you can never get enough greens in you. So I just picked that up. This is for, I'm gonna make like burrito bowls later on in the week as well, and then I was out of coconut oil. So, but yeah, it's $45 of groceries right there, I guess. There's my super small little grocery haul. I'm gonna put everything away. Sorry, there's like really loud cars right behind me. I live on the noisiest street ever, and like these cars will just fly around and they are so loud. But anyways, right now it is 4:17, so it's a little early to start dinner. I'm gonna take Annie on a little sunshine walk, as we call it, because it's a gorgeous day out. It's like 75 and I need to go soak up some sun, so let's hit it. Okay, so we're on our walk, and you guys, look at the sky. So blue skies, and there's this crazy storm cloud right there, and it's literally thundering. So, typical Colorado for you. Okay, so we got back from our little walk, and I just chilled on the couch and watched some Kardashians for a little bit, just kind of chilled. It's now 6 o'clock, so I'm gonna go ahead and start dinner. So I will show you guys what we are doing. So here is my salmon. I have it patted dry. I just like to do that. And then these are the rest of the ingredients I'll be using. Olive oil, salt and pepper, some paprika, cumin, basil, and some oils and stuff. I'm gonna rub the salmon with this spice mixture. So it's just some olive oil, paprika, cumin, salt and pepper all in here. And we're just gonna drizzle it over the salmon. So I usually bake my salmon in the oven, but today I'm gonna try it on this grill pan. So just have some coconut oil in there, and then obviously like the little spice rub on there. So while that's going, I'm gonna wash this pan and then cut up my eggplant. Okay, so the salmon is done. It looks and smells so good. And then I just have my eggplant in here, and I seasoned it with salt and pepper and a little bit of olive oil. I'm just gonna grill that up probably for like 3 minutes, because eggplant gets soggy like really easily, and then it grosses me out. So we're gonna just do a quick little sear on it and move on. So while the eggplant is just finishing up, I made a basil vinaigrette. So I like diced the basil, and then there's olive oil, red wine vinegar, salt and pepper, and some honey. So I'm gonna drizzle this over everything once it's done, and we're almost ready. So here is dinner, all ready to go. Looks so good, and I'm so hungry. So I'm gonna go eat this and watch a show. I just have to say, the vinaigrette is so good with the like basil on it. 10 out of 10, recommend. So So just finished eating. My hair looks terrible and disgusting. Just try to disregard that. But yeah, just finished eating and I'm chilling on the couch with Annie, and I need to go clean the kitchen. So I'm gonna go clean up in there, and then I think I'm gonna take a bath tonight and do like a face mask. My skin is just, I didn't eat the best this last weekend, and my skin is a little bit feisty over it. So I'm gonna do a face mask, relax, and just get ready for bed. Had to take a quick cleaning break. Show you guys this rainbow. Love it. Okay, I have to show you again because now there's two. When the first one got even brighter. Isn't that crazy? I just think rainbows are crazy. Like, kitchen is all clean. Such a good feeling. Just wanted to pop on here because I just feel like cleaning your kitchen is such like a sucky chore sometimes, especially if you're just like super tired and you just want to go to bed. But I find that it's so important. It is crucial that I clean the kitchen before I go to bed because one, sorry if that dishwasher is kind of loud. One, you come downstairs in the morning and everything's fresh and clean, like ready for a new day. And that's just the best feeling, like just to start your day off with like a tidy space. It really helps me. And then also just going to bed with it a mess and, you know, all the stuff from dinner still sitting out, like, yeah, that stresses me out. So I'm just happy that it's done, it's clean, she's beautiful, and now I can go up to bed. Well, not to bed yet. It's 8 o'clock now, but I am gonna go take a bath and do that face mask, like I said, and just chill out for the rest of the night. Sorry that the lighting and like the angle is really bad in here. I need to figure out like a different setup because it's just not the best, but you know, we work with what we've got. And then once I have the face mask all over my skin, I just take this and I go a couple times on the jawline. And then I love using the Ordinary Niacinamide. It's like one of my favorite skincare products. So I will just do a couple those and pat it in. Wow. So that is pretty much it for my nighttime routine. Very chill and relaxing. So I typically just kind of try to, if I'm not on my phone, I try to be good. I try to read a book or something instead of being on my phone. So I'll try to read for a little bit and then I will go to bed. Oh, and just in case you guys were wondering why Tate's not here, he's actually house sitting for his parents right now. They're in Mexico. Both of our parents are in Mexico together. They left us behind, which is so rude. I'm just kidding. But so yeah, he's house sitting there, watching their animals, and I'm here by myself this week. So yeah, that's what's happening there. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you made it all the way to the end, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Let me know what one thing is that you have to do in your nighttime routine in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. So yeah, thanks again, and hope you guys have a great rest of your day, night, wherever you are, and good night. Bye.